Hi, third graders. In today's reading mini lesson, we talked about how authors choose different colors to create or change the feeling of a story. And you discussed three different books, Goal, The Paperboy, and Ruby's Wish. And in Goal, the colors of the sky change from bright blue to a lighter, cloudier sky and then back to bright blue. And the author chose these colors because they mean something different in each part of the story. The bright blue sky might mean that it's showing some excitement, something exciting is happening. The lighter, cloudier gray sky is showing that there's some worry or maybe some confusion happening in the story. And then towards the end of the book, you get the bright blue sky again, which is back to the boys having joy or showing excitement about something. So during your independent reading time today, I want you to think about the pictures in your book and how the author uses colors to show feelings in the story. Mark a couple pages where you notice the feelings changing and be ready to talk about how the colors show you that.